Today in the grain market, beans were higher. That technical trends are still to the upside. I think futures remain kind of strong in spite of the fact that China has really pushed a lot of their purchasing to Brazil. The demand there in Brazil really lends itself that possibly they're going to come back to the U.S. So there's still some hope on the line that's what's really offering a little bit of support in the market. Otherwise, we've been really moving sideways since February. Now the November contract is just 10 cents below its high. And it looks like that, we might be, if we continue to get more support, we expect that the market's going to be pushed up a little bit higher even still. Now, option volatility is down below 15%, which is kind of a surprise, but maybe that's because we had been moving sideways and fundamentally there wasn't much really to get the market moving higher. We've just got to watch that closely. Still, though, in soybeans, demand for out-of-the-money calls is still pretty prevalent there, so that's something to be watching. Now, corn did rise as well. We made a new high on the new crop, which is the December contract. Futures did get up to 512. And now we're really chasing the 517 high with the U.S. dollar a little bit lower, considering that, exact planning numbers are kind of unknown. Weather, tighter supplies, and inflation, certainly that's really pushing the market up. 512 for December corn seems relatively cheap, all things considered. Now, option volatility in the May is 29.75%, in July 31.5%. That's really, I think, a strong and bullish tone for corn. And it looks like corn really is the leader of the pack here on the grain market. Now, wheat today also surged. I think it was mainly, there's the spring wheat is just facing some dry forecasts going forward. So, that's really underpinning the support in the market. Also, French wheat was up like 1% on cold temperatures there. That kind of helps the market. But technically and fundamentally, the trend is lower for wheat, but the market is reacting to those weather risks right now. Options has plenty of put buying right now, and so we've got to watch that going forward. Now, weather and planting news are really the focus now for all of grains, and we're going to see that day to day.